Look at these fat, healthy worms. I mean, these things are like really big. They really like those smoothies because the material in here just immediately started turning black, like really good. And I noticed it's pretty much coincided with the appearance of these white mites. These are arthropods that act as shredders for the material, further breaking it down that the worms can eat. So, see in here? Scoop this out. So that's their food they've been working through. I mean, it smells kind of fermented, but not rotten, and they love it. If I put it all on one side, you know, I can just push it over, bury it, keep the mites out. Should probably bury it better. See, this side, they don't really break it down much, so I'll probably start beating the other side.